If you're here for the locking players, welcome to the channel. And here's basically the entire rules for this contest. In this video, there are 3 unidentified cars. Now those 3 cars are labeled 1, 2, and 3. All you have to do is put the year and the make. That's all we're looking for. Whoever gets the year and the make of all 3 of those cars right first is going to be the winner. So I hope it's just some fun putting your guesses in there and watching the video. At the very end of the video, there are 3 still shots of those cars, so that might help you a little bit more. You take your time and look at them a little bit closer. So have fun with the video, and here it is.
Today, I think I'm gonna go shopping for a rat rod. And I've been working on Jeeps a lot and doing those, and I've been kind of just seeing all these different cool rat rods, and I decided, you know what, I think I would like to build one. So I'm gonna go shopping and I'm gonna show you where. So it seems to me this is the best place in the world to go shopping for a rat rod. Let's see what we can find. Okay, I think I'm on the right trail. The air cleaner is pointing that direction. All right, let's go see what we got. Okay, here's a couple possibilities, but I think I'm gonna pass. I'm gonna look for something a little sweeter. Okay, you guys know I like Jeeps. Here is a Willys station wagon. Looks like both sides are there. But again, I think we're gonna pass on this one. Here's a couple different options. That one's pretty sweet, but this one's even better because it's still got an engine. And let's see who can get it right in the comments what that one is. Ooh, another classic. This one's pretty sweet. Again, let's see. This is number 2. What's this one? Put it in the comments. All right. Well, we're here at the edge of a giant hill. And again, you probably really can't see how steep it is, but looks like we got a few more down there we're gonna look at. All right, what do you guys think? I think we got a winner right here. I think this is gonna be it. Tree smashed it, that's a shame. Let's take a good look though. Well, there's the driver door. It doesn't seem too bad. And the firewall and some of the cowl. And of course that got dented when things smashed in. That's all right, let's go over to the other side. Okay, there is the other door. And again, it's not real bent up. Body is. But we don't really need all that, right? We're talking a rat rod. You don't need much for a rat rod. You don't need a dash. So here is the rear end of the vehicle. And I got to do some research to see what this is. Nice spare tire carrier though. Okay, this is about a mile in. And I didn't bring a chainsaw, I just brought a little saw, which this thing cuts like nobody's business. But this thing's like petrified wood. So I don't think I'm gonna be cutting that off, I think I'm gonna work around it. Looks like somebody had already tried to get some pieces off of it. So this is a pretty cool little detail. It used to have the rear windows would crank open. Nice wooden armrests. This one's missing some of the mechanism. Very neat how they welded them together. And what I can only imagine is possibly a curtain rod. Is that what that is? It had fabric attached to it. Okay, well, we know Fisher built the body. Well, like I said, this thing is really out in the middle of the woods. And down a pretty steep hill. So it's definitely coming out in pieces. All right, well, the temperature is heating up out here, and I was getting really nowhere with some of the stuff. So I went back and got reinforcements. Look at how nice and clean this tool bag is. That's because it's my wife's. This is one of those little baby Bosches. And it's super light, and it takes the little batteries. So I'm gonna see what I can do with it. All right, well, the little Bosch made fairly quick work of the front end. And so there it is. It snapped off and rolled down the hill a little further. This is gonna be a lot more fun to try to carry out than the doors, I think. So I'm gonna see. I might actually take that little framework that held the hinges. I'll see how much it's on. It doesn't look like it's on by much. Try to take it out in a few pieces. All right, guys, well, that took 6 trips to get that all out of the woods, up that hill, and loaded into my truck. I'm starting to lose daylight. Sorry, the wind is blowing a little bit. I apologize for the noise if you're picking any of that up. So let me show you everything that I got. Okay, so I got what I'm gonna call the rocker panels. I got one of the door jambs. I forgot to grab the other one. I have to go back and get that. Got the inner structure that actually holds the hinges for the doors. I got the doors, which are in good condition, or what I'm going to call good condition. And the firewall cowl windshield frame, it's got a little bit of attitude from that tree knocking into it. Gives it that kind of snarly look. Got a bunch of the different little pieces, handbrake, crank for one of the windows, and just some of the different brackets. Just kind of picked up everything that was loose. Rocker panel for this side and this door as well. I also found this kind of neat little old Donaldson. Let me pick that up and show you. Old air cleaner. Feels like it's completely full of mud. And that Jeep that I showed you, I actually found a fender there that was pretty decent. So I went ahead and grabbed that. And then there is this. The Permalube, Super Permalube oil stand. Pretty neat. Let's see if I can get in here on this tag and show you. It's a display cabinet. It's kind of neat. In that door right there, it appears that you would put the old oil filter and then it would dump it down into something in the bottom. I gotta see if I can get that to work a little bit better. On this side, you can actually see some of the weights of the SAE oil that would have been in there. And, you know, just a couple sweet bullet holes. So, a lot of fun just kind of picking parts out in the woods today.